how to speed up or slow down video in Inshot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily speed up or slow down a video in Inshot. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Inshot app and then go to video, and you can choose from your gallery or just edit your drafts. And now just tap on the video that you want to change the speed of, and then you'll see various icons. So swipe to the left and then you'll find speed. Just tap on it and a speed slider will open up. So the further you drag the video, the faster it plays. You can see 1.01, 1.02. So if you drag it to the right, the video keeps on increasing. This is great for time lapses, fast tutorials, or skipping long scenes. Now to slow down, you'll need to drag the slider to the left side. So slower speed is perfect for dramatic shots or smooth slow motion effects. Just remember, slowing down clips too much may cause choppiness unless the footage is shot in high FPS. So just set it to your preference, and then once you're happy, just tap on the tick option to save your changes. And that's it. It's as simple as that to speed up or slow down videos in Inshot. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.